Good morning students. How are you? Once again, I welcome back to computer class. Hope you all are doing well at home. Enjoying. Okay. See, before we start our lesson, just I want to tell you that in my next class, we will have a small assessment test. Okay. Of lesson 1. A small basic question I will be asking, or maybe some difference between, or any one long question. It depends, but it's a small assessment test for you all. So you prepare only lesson 1. We will have a small assessment test. You do that test. I will give you the question. In my next class, we will have. Okay. So students, today we will do the exercise. We have completed the lesson. Okay. The third lesson we have completed. Today we will do the first exercise. What is the first exercise? That you have to write whether the statement is true or false. If it is true, you write true. If it is false, you have to write the correct statement of the false. Okay. So, wherever it is false, you have to write what is the right. So, let's start. The first one. A table is made up of cells that are formed by the intersection of rows and columns. What is a table? A table is made up of what? Intersection of rows and columns, and it is formed by a cell. So the first one is true. So please write down. The first one is true. A row is a vertical series of cells in a table. A row. What is a row? A row is a vertical series of cells in a table. So it is what? False. See, here you can write two options. The correct answer. Instead of row, okay. A row is a vertical series of cells in a table. So the correct answer, instead of row, what you can write? A column. A column is a vertical series of cells in a table. Okay. You call a column. This is known as vertical and this is known as horizontal. Okay. So, instead of row, you can write a column is a vertical series of a cell in a table. Or else, instead of vertical, you can write what? Horizontal. A row is a horizontal series cell. Okay. A row is a, instead of vertical, what you will write? Horizontal series of cells in a table. So, two options. Remember always, a row is a horizontal and a column is a vertical. Now come to the third one. What is the third one? Two cells. Okay. Two cells can be merged by the merge cell option found in the design tab of Excel. So, it is false. The two cells can be merged by the merge cell option found in the which tab? It is in the merge group on the layout tab of in the table group. Okay. So, what we will write? Two cells can be merge cell option found in the merge group. Okay, found in the merge group. What is the correct answer? Merge group under the layout tab, or you can write under the layout option. Okay, under the layout tab in the table group. So what is the correct answer? You have to write from here. Just to mention false, and you write from here. Two cells can be merged by the merge group under the layout tab in the table group. Okay. Is it clear? Now come to the fourth one. We can insert data in a table using only the mouse or any arrow key. Only the mouse or any arrow key. It is false. What is the correct answer? We can insert data in a table using not only the mouse. We can use the mouse, arrow key and also tab key. Okay. We can use to insert data in a table. A tab key can also be used. We will write it here, or let it be here. A tab key can also be used. Correct answer is what? A tab key can also be used to insert data in a table. What is the fourth one? To format text in a table, we use the text group from the insert tab of Excel. To format text in a table, we use the text group. Instead of text, what will come? This is also false. We use the font group to do formatting. We are using which group? Font. Okay. We use the, you can write on, we use the font group from the insert tab. In the place of insert tab, you mention it home tab. We use the font group from the home tab. To format text in a table, we use the font group. From the home tab. This is the correct option. Is it clear? First, you write down the question. Then, if it is false, please write false and you write the correct answer. Can you see all the things? A table is made up of cells that are formed by the intersection of rows and columns. It is true. A row is a vertical series of table. False. The correct answer is a column is a vertical series of cells in a table. Two cells can be merged by the merge cell option found in the design tab of Excel. It is false. Two cells can be merged by the merge group under the layout tab in the table group. You have to write down from here up to M. We can insert data in a table using only the mouse or any arrow key. It is false. You can also use a tab key can also be used. To format text in the table, we use the text group from the insert tab of Excel. This is font group. From the, instead of insert, what? From the home tab. From the home tab. Is it clear? Can you able to see all the things? Okay students, you write it in your notebook, and as I told you, please learn and read lesson 1. We will have a small assessment test. Thank you for listening my online class. All of you take care and be safe at home. Bye. Have a nice day.